It feels just like yesterday when we first stepped into this campus, into this college as strangers. As we are here today on the brink of a new chapter in our lives, I'm filled with a mix of emotions. Emotions of excitement, nostalgia, and a tinge of sadness. As we bid farewell to our final year and of course, this college life. It has been a journey filled with unforgettable memories, lasting friendships, and valuable lessons that have shaped us into the individuals which we are today. Be it flash mobs or the various leagues such as dance, drama, theatre, or be it the sports day, the march past, we always supported one another at all times. We have formed bonds that will stand the test of time. But as we prepare to part ways and embark on new adventures, let us not forget the lessons that we have learned in the walls of Arupe and of course Aloysius. The knowledge we gain from our lecturers, the exams and the personal growth that comes from stepping out of our comfort zones, all of these have prepared for us for what lies ahead. But beyond the academic achievements and accolades, what truly sets our time apart in college is the sense of community that we have fostered as Aloysians. The friendship we have forged, the laughter we shared, and the support we extended to one another. These are the true treasures that we carry throughout our life. Let us embrace the future with open arms, knowing that the bonds we have formed here will always connect us no matter wherever life takes us. To my batchmates, I say thank you for the memories, support, laughter, and constant happy moments that you shared and you created with me. To the faculty members, I thank you for your guidance, wisdom, and unwavering support, which can I never be ever grateful for. And to the journey that lies ahead, I say, let us all face it with courage, determination, and knowledge that we should be ready for whatever comes our way. So here's to the farewell to our final year in college. May it be a celebration of the past and a stepping stone into the future. Now ending, I'll like to quote, we thought that controlling our laughter in a class full of pin drop silence was the most challenging thing to do. But little did we realize that controlling our tears on the last day of college would be a million times harder. And also I have written a poem which I would like to recite before you all. आया था एक अनजान नगरी में मैं किसी खोए मुसाफिर की तरह अपनी मंजिल को खोजता हुआ यूं अकेला सा भटका हुआ अनजान लोग नई भाषा कहूं या कहूं भाषाएं अपने घर से हजारों मील दूर मैं आ बैठा इसे मैं कुदरत का खेल कहूं या अपने माँ बाप की आशाएं क्या आपने कभी प्यार किया मैंने भी किया प्यार क्या है मैं कहता हूं प्यार दोस्ती है दोस्ती ही प्यार है अरे खुश नसीब है वो लोग जिन्होंने दोस्ती का ये प्याला चखा है और तकदीर वाला हूं मैं जिसे ये प्याला चखाया गया है अरे आया था इस अनजान नगरी में मैं खोए मुसाफिर की तरह अपनी मंजिल को खोजता हुआ यूं अकेला सा भटका हुआ उसी अनजान नगरी में मुझे कुछ अपने मिल गए या यूं कहूं तो मुझे मेरे कॉलेज के 3 साल के सपने मिल गए